Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Confirm you are the workspace owner or immediately transfer ownership to someone you control. Once done, export any pages or databases. Use export with Markdown and CSV or PDF for attachments, so nothing is lost. Then open the Workspace menu by clicking the workspace name in the upper left and choose Settings and Members. This brings you to the controls you must use to remove members, cancel billing, and ultimately delete the workspace, so don't skip these preparatory steps. Next, remove friction. Go to Settings and Members and remove or transfer all members. Make sure no one else holds owner rights. Then cancel any paid plan under Plans to stop charges, choose the Cancel Plan flow and confirm. Revoke authorized integrations and clear any public or shared links so content isn't accessible after deletion. Also, transfer or delete databases and templates. Lingering pages can block or complicate deletion. These detailed middle steps ensure the workspace is clean and ready to be removed. Finally, scroll to the bottom of Workspace Settings and select Delete Workspace. Follow each confirmation prompt. You may need to re-enter your password or confirm via email. Once you confirm, Notion starts the deletion process, which can include a soft delete period. Make sure you've backed up everything beforehand. If you can't delete, check that you are the active workspace owner. Ownership is the usual blocker. If ownership is correct but deletion still fails, remove remaining integrations or contact Notion support with exact error details for a quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.